Power BI, Python, or R, choosing the right tool. In the realm of business intelligence, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Power BI, Python, and R each offer distinct advantages suited to different preferences and requirements. Whether you prioritize user-friendliness, versatility, or statistical prowess, there's a tool that aligns with your objectives. Here are some guidelines to aid your decision-making process. Power BI. Opt for Power BI if you prioritize user-friendliness and require a tool capable of quickly generating interactive dashboards and reports from diverse data sources. Python. Choose Python if versatility and power are paramount, and you seek a language equipped to handle a broad spectrum of data science tasks, from data preprocessing to advanced machine learning. R. Embrace R if your focus lies in specialized statistical analysis and creating captivating data visualizations, leveraging its rich ecosystem of packages tailored for statistical modeling and visualization. Ultimately, the key lies in understanding your needs and leveraging the strengths of each tool to drive actionable insights and informed decision-making within your organization.